Despite it being locked down, we were lucky enough to go to Raby Castle, and we bought a packed lunch from the little kiosk and spent some time just sitting there and watching the world go by. The only downside was that it was very windy and the wind was making quite a noise when I played this back. So I've had to reduce the volume so you don't actually hear what was going on around you. I will leave the volume on a little bit later when you see what happens.
What's he doing? Getting a good drink. Looking for fish. Do you think he's looking for fish? Oh, these ones have decided they're going to come and see what's going on up here. The guy said if one runs, they all run. Look at them all. It's a very windy day. Believe it or not, he's had his hair cut, but it's again messy. And we are very lucky because we are able to go and visit Raby Castle during lockdown, and so we've had lunch at Raby Castle. Well, not lunch, we've walked to the kiosk where you can buy sandwiches and a sausage roll. We took a fancy in the sausage roll and bought a couple of fish. Very nice. We've been very fortunate because behind that way are black clouds, and this way is sunshine. I'll turn you around. That way there's black clouds, and there's the castle.
And there's some birds swanning around on the lake.
But we've actually had, it's not been too bad, we've got a bit of sunshine up there coming through the tree. You might just see it, but we've actually been in the sunshine part.
The thing about this place is if you just turn to the right here, there is a charge for entry, and if you look carefully, you'll see it's quite dear.
Oh, God. Dad jokes all round.
Yay! Or granddad jokes.
Or granddad jokes. Very, very windy. The sun's just behind the clouds. And this is one of the lakes. And then we have the other lake. Oh.
633 Squadron.
Wow! No, they're going to land.
They'll only do it. Well, they did it. I sent them a message and said, could you do us a flight?
So I said, make your hair look nice. It was actually looking lovely 2 seconds ago. And no, put the tongue away and the lip away. So I've brushed his hair and tidied him up just for you lot, especially for you lot, because he messes it up very quickly. Now then, we were just talking two minutes ago, and I said, oh, I've got to film this. Because I was saying, we were talking about the beds.
Oh, the bed.
What are you upset about?
Hey?
What's upset you about the bed?
My duvet. Because do they know I'm self-isolating?
No.
From you, because I look after my grand.
Yeah, well, I kind of told them, but you can tell them as well.
Well, I go on a Thursday, because my daughter's now single-ish, and she's got a job and stuff, and she needs childcare. But I do 1 day a week looking after the girls, which I love doing. But because we're really, they're at school, or at least one of them is, and all the rest of it, being sensible, when I come home, I keep my distance from Micheline, and I sleep in a separate bed, the spare bed. It's a right bloody bed, right? It wakes you up in the middle of the night, right?
Why?
Because it creaks.
And why does
so
it
when
creak?
I move, it creaks, right? It just creaks. It creaks. It aims for the clearest ear, and it wakes you up. It does.
Uh-huh.
The quilt has got a mind of its own. It just disappears. I wake up, having been woken up by the bed, right? And I'm thinking, where's the bloody quilt gone? Right? My legs are naked, exposed.
Yes, when I look in on a morning, there's always exposed feet.
Yeah, and I don't do anything. It's a big quilt for the bed, so it should just stay where it's put, and it doesn't.
Right.
It just buggers off.
So I said, I don't have that problem in the one that I'm in because we bought some Egyptian cotton sheets. And I says, now they are really nice. I says, it's because my bed's got quality sheets on and the one that's on your bed aren't quality.
Oh, stop! My bed? That's our bed. That is our bed. But it's only temporarily your bed.
Yeah, but you see, you were in your bed from last week till tonight. And then tomorrow you go and look after your granddaughter again, so you still have to be in that bed.
I can sleep in it 1 night a week.
1 night a week? Oh, does that mean I've got to put up with you tonight?
No, I'll stay in the little one now. So, if there's any girls out there who've got spare space in their bed, give me a shout.
Cheeky little monkey. They'll all be flocking and saying, no, I don't want to have a bed with a scruffy bugger like you.
Hey, if I bring some Egyptian cotton.
Well, you can't. You wouldn't be able to because you've got to self-isolate from them all.
Oh, aye. Okay, so that won't work.
No, that won't work.
So anyway.
So when you eventually come to join me after you've stopped childminding, then I'll allow you to come and share my bed with the Egyptian cotton sheets.
Well, that'll happen, won't it? When we get the new bed, we're getting a new bed. Yeah.
Who paid for it?
We did.
Did we?
Oh, you did. I forgot my card. It was a slick move, I thought.
Yeah, very slick.
Yeah.
Very slick.
Yeah, it's normally the other way around.
Yeah, that's true. That's very true.
Oh, I haven't got my card. Is it down your bra? No. Oh, no, I must have forgotten my purse. Oh.
Hey, what's he like? Anyway, well, I was going to say something there. He's off tomorrow. He'll be childminding tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be a single woman again for a day. Yay!
Gallivanting.
No, I won't be able to gallivant.
Oh,
though.
no, you can't. The shops are shut.
Can't gallivant. So I'll be gallivanting chez moi at my house. It's there. I just thought you'd like to see his lovely new hairstyle. It doesn't stay like that, does it?
Well, it does when you're not around.
What?
I can scruff it up.
When I'm not around, what do you do?
Hang on like that.
And that's what he looks like.
I love it. I love it.
And why you want to keep it, but they won't let you. But look, look on the bottom there. Yeah. See all those?
Oh, those are all my speeding offences. Do you know?
Lift them up. Lift it up to show them.
No, I've got a theory about speeding because I'm not a bad driver.
You are he's a careful driver, and he's had more driving offences than I have, and I drive faster than him.
Yeah, because she's half French. Believe you me, that makes a difference of about 20 miles an hour to your top speed. Even the car doesn't know it can go that fast. It's an old banger. Right, it thinks that it can't go faster than 60.
What, my little red car?
Yeah,
my little red car. My dad was driving it fast when it was his car.
He was French as well, wasn't he? He was fully French.
I'll never forget the days he came around the corner into a car park, a restaurant car park, and we couldn't believe him. He had his dark glasses on and his check shirt, and he was zoomed round the corner, and
he looked, what was it? He looked like somebody off Hawaii 5-0.
He had this tropical shirt on, and he was about 90.
He was brilliant.
Anyway. You're renewing your licence.
Yes, I'm renewing my licence because you have to when you get past 70.
And you've got points on your licence.
I've got points on my licence. So I thought, I wonder if any of my points have expired.
And have they?
Well, I don't know because she started filming before I got
right,
there.
okay.
But anyway.
So I'll let you concentrate and see
I had to go. No, I was getting cross, wasn't I? Because of my points. I'm convinced, right, that the majority of the speed traps that I've been caught on are there not for road safety,
but to make money.
For money making, for filling the coffers. Apparently, all the fines that they make on speeding go towards road upkeep,
road repair,
and which is fine.
Yeah.
You know, but I suppose if they've got a lot of roads to do, they just send the vans out and say, "Go and catch us 100 today." Right.
We need to put some tarmac on that road.
And you know, I get caught speeding like this, and I really seriously, I'm being serious now.
This is serious.
I don't go faster than 80 miles an hour ever, right? Mind you, if you do
except when you're going down a hill.
If you do it in a 30 mile an hour limit, it's a bit.
Yeah.
But no, I've only ever been caught on the motorways or on the A roads, and mainly the A19, which is the road I go down to see the grandkids. And I never really go faster than 80 miles an hour. And yet, I keep getting caught by these sneaky bloody vans that sit in lay-bys and stuff. So, on the days I get caught, I end up cursing and swearing every driver that overtakes me. Because there are people who drive down that road.
They go at
like
about
90
and 100,
or faster. Do they ever get caught? Always looks like the same bloody car to me. So he obviously isn't getting caught. So I think there's something going on. Anyway, it's a conspiracy theory.
Is it?
Yeah, well, apparently they're in vogue at the moment.
What conspiracy theory?
Conspiracy theories. Yeah.
Since COVID.
Yeah. All of that. Yeah.
He's going to check his points. How many points you got?
Hang on, I've got 9 points. But SP 30 penalty points, offence date 19th of November 2017.
Goes off tomorrow? 3 points off tomorrow?
Make that 6.
What, 6 points off tomorrow?
No, 6 points total. So you get disqualified on 12.
You nearly got disqualified, didn't you?
I nearly did, but the judge was very nice to me. Mind you, I was really nice to him.
Yeah.
Well, actually, there were 3. It was a panel.
Panel of three.
Yeah, I don't think there were judges.
There were magistrates.
Magistrates.
Yeah.
And yes, I was on 12 points nominally, and I appealed to be allowed to keep driving. And I stood in front of them and I told them my story. And the two ladies were crying. The man was just doing his best. And he was the one that said to me, "You can keep driving, Brian. You just keep driving. You're fine, don't worry." So I did a fantastic job.
I don't think so. You got away with it. They were really nice to you. But, and we'll celebrate with...
I was smart and I combed my hair that day.
Yeah,
as well.
you had a suit on.
I wore it.
Yeah, very smart. Short hair as well.
Short hair, the
Yeah.
lot. The absolute lot. But that's just extending the rant about
Isn't it?
speed.
Yes.
I'm going...